Installing a connectivity card. Zebra printers use a variety of connectivity and option cards depending on the model. In this video, we're installing a connectivity card on a ZT231 printer. Your printer may look different, having one or two option card slots. The installation process is the same. Turn off the printer and disconnect the power and data cables. Remember to remove any media and ribbon. Connect yourself to an anti-static device. Place the printer on a grounded anti-static mat. Remove the connectivity slot cover. If a connectivity card is installed, remove the screws from the connectivity card and slide it out of the printer. Align the connectivity card with the slots in the printer. Carefully slide the connectivity card into the printer until it stops. Ensure the connectivity card is aligned with the main logic board connector, and then push the connectivity card on top and bottom until it is flush with the back of the printer. Install the screws into the connectivity card. After this step, be sure to reinstall the media and ribbon. Reconnect the power cord and data cables. Turn on the printer